Hello YouTube, Chachi is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about PowerShell not opening due to an error mscoree.dll was not found on your Windows computer. So when you are using your Windows 11 or other Windows operating system, your PowerShell will stop working due to some DLL mscoree.dll problem. So to solve this problem, we are going to use two solutions. So let's start from solution number one. Solution number one would be opening your CMD, click on the search and type here CMD, then right click on it and select run as administrator and confirm by selecting yes. And here I have a command which I'm going to use it, which is the ISM. So I will use them one by one. So I'm going to copy the first command. I'm going to put this notepad under the description box so you can find it there. So let's copy the first line. So copy this one and paste it here and press enter. So it may take some time until it will finish processing this activity, so wait patiently. So after the first command successfully completed the operation, then go and copy the second one. So let me copy this one, copy this and paste it here and press enter, and it will take some time like the previous one. So don't worry if you face any, if it show you any errors. So after the second one, the second command completed, then copy the third one, which is Ctrl C, then V, then press enter and wait again, like similar to the previous two commands, until it will finish. It may take some time, and even if it may show you some errors, just forget about it and finish the installation process of this commands. So after the CMD completed all the three commands, now click on your computer on the power button and restart your computer. So after the restart, again check whether the PowerShell is opening or not, and if the PowerShell is still not opening due to this DLL error, then the second solution will be click on here the search icon and type here control panel. So here the control panel, then open it. Then if you find your control panel like this, well then, if you cannot find it, go on the top view by and select here large icon. Then after that you will find program and features here, then open the program and feature. Then after that go here, turn Windows feature on or off. Then you will find here NetFrame 3.5 and NetFrame 4.8. Make sure you check both of them and select here OK. Then it will start searching for the required file and will be downloaded on your computer, and it may take some time, so wait patiently until the download will be completed. Then after that it will show you restart your computer and restart your computer. And these are the solution on how you can fix the PowerShell not opening errors related with mscoree.dll was not found. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chachi out.